This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages, and I am at Couples Swept Away in Negril, Jamaica. We're going to do a room tour. Staying in room 1108, which is building 2. It is a garden veranda suite. Let's start with the bathroom. They do have soap, shower cap, and vanity pad, as well as body lotion. This is the shower. Actually, I'm gonna. No, that's all the lights that's in here. I was looking for another light, but it turns out they're all on. And it is open above, which I think is important to know, that the wall does not go all the way to the top. Pause. Had to get some light in the closet. It does have a hairdryer. Safe and storage. Air conditioner up there. Not a whole lot going on over on this side. We have a place to hang some things and the lights. Let's see. Oh, oops. Okay, I had to turn these lamps on. Didn't do a very good job preparing. But anyway, so we have some light switches and a place to hang some things. There is a outlet back here. There's also a fan, but the air is super cold, so you may not need the fan. Down here, we have just some storage, a mini bar, which my husband has already taken one of the red stripes, so it had 4 beers. But it does give us, they have a mini bar menu that we can put out if we want more to drink. These water bottles are ours, and they give us a carafe of water. Let's see if there's ice. There is ice. And we have coffee. There's some teas as well. All right, we are on the first floor, so we have a big patio. Get the view from this way. And it not only does it have a lock down here, but it has these up here. There's a fan up there as well. It's a nice big patio. It's a little dark, so I'm not gonna be able to see anything, but lots of vegetation, trees, palms. And that is it. Garden veranda suite. That couple slept away in the Grill, Jamaica.